Are you lying awake at 2 a.m., staring at the ceiling, wondering why your brain simply won't shut off? What if I told you that the secret to deep, restorative sleep isn't a pill, a gadget, or counting sheep? It's a set of simple, science-backed habits that anyone can learn. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most overlooked pillars of health, sleep hygiene. And I'm going to tell you about an audiobook that could genuinely transform the way you sleep, starting tonight. Whether you're dealing with insomnia, restless nights, chronic fatigue, or just waking up feeling like you never slept at all, this is for you. Here's the hard truth. Over 70 million Americans suffer from chronic sleep disorders. Globally, we are in the middle of a sleep deprivation epidemic. And the consequences go far beyond feeling tired. Poor sleep is directly linked to increased risk of heart disease and diabetes, weakened immune function, anxiety, depression, and mood disorders, impaired memory, focus, and cognitive performance, weight gain, and hormonal imbalances. We live in a world that glorifies hustle and productivity, but silently punishes us for ignoring our most fundamental biological need, sleep. And the worst part? Most people don't even know what they're doing wrong. But there is a solution. Mastering Sleep Hygiene Audible Audiobook. That's exactly why this audiobook on Audible is such a game changer. This isn't just another wellness book full of vague advice. This is a comprehensive, research-driven guide to sleep hygiene, the practices, routines, and mindset shifts that sleep scientists and doctors actually recommend. Inside, you'll discover the science of your circadian rhythm and how to work with your body clock, not against it. How blue light and screen time are silently sabotaging your sleep quality every single night. The ideal sleep environment, temperature, light, sound, and everything in between. Powerful wind-down routines that signal your nervous system it's time to rest. The truth about caffeine and alcohol, and how they affect your sleep architecture. Stress and anxiety management techniques specifically designed for bedtime. How to optimize your sleep cycles so you wake up feeling genuinely refreshed. Napping strategies, when they help and when they hurt. And so much more. Now here's what makes this even better. It's on Audible. You can listen while you commute, work out, cook dinner, or wind down before bed. No excuses, no barriers. Just pure, actionable knowledge delivered straight to your ears by a professional narrator. Audible's immersive audio experience makes absorbing this kind of life-changing information effortless. And if you're not already an Audible member, you can start with a free trial and get this audiobook at no cost. The link is in the description below. Seriously, don't sleep on it. Pun absolutely intended. Mastering Sleep Hygiene Audible Audiobook. Before you go, let me give you 3 quick sleep hygiene tips from the book right now, completely free. Number 1. Set a consistent sleep and wake time, even on weekends. Your circadian rhythm thrives on routine, and even one late night can throw off your sleep quality for days. Number 2. Create a 30-minute screen-free wind-down window before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin production, making it harder for your brain to transition into sleep mode. Number 3. Keep your bedroom cool, ideally between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Your core body temperature needs to drop to initiate deep sleep, and a cool room accelerates that process. 3 simple changes, massive results, and that's just scratching the surface of what's inside this audiobook. Thousands of listeners have already used the strategies in this book to go from restless, exhausted nights to waking up energized, focused, and ready to take on the day. If you're serious about improving your sleep, your health, your mood, and your performance, this audiobook is your next step. Click the link in the description to grab it on Audible today. If you're a new member, your first audiobook is free. There is literally nothing to lose and a lifetime of better sleep to gain. And if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. We drop new content regularly on sleep, wellness, and optimizing your mind and body. Drop an emoji in the comments if you're ready to finally fix your sleep. I read every single one. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's a biological necessity, and you deserve to get it right. I'll see you in the next video. Sleep well.